Is your Bottlebrush looking a little bare or not blooming the way you hoped? You are not alone. A lot of gardeners love this bright, bushy plant, but it can sometimes feel like it is just sitting there, not quite living up to its full potential. Here's the good news: the right companion plants can completely change that. When you plant the right neighbors around your Bottlebrush, you are not only helping it stay healthy, you are also turning your yard into a real showstopper. So, if your garden feels a little empty or your Bottlebrush looks like it needs some company, stick around. We're about to go through some of the best plant buddies that will take your Bottlebrush from lonely to lively. Picture a sunny yard with a tall, blooming Bottlebrush bursting with red color. Now imagine smaller plants around it, filling the space with soft textures, fresh greens, and blooms that make the red pop even more. That is what we are diving into today: how to bring out the best in your Bottlebrush with a few smart plant choices. In this video, you will learn which companion plants make your Bottlebrush shine. We are not just talking about looks either. Some of these plants can help keep bugs away, improve the soil, or bring in helpful pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plus, some of the plants on this list are probably not the first ones that come to mind. A few might even surprise you, but they all have something special that works beautifully with Bottlebrush. Ready to see which ones made the list? Let us get into why companion planting can make such a difference. So, what exactly is companion planting? It is the simple idea that certain plants grow better when they are placed near others. It is kind of like giving your plants some friendly neighbors who support them in all the right ways. For your Bottlebrush, that can mean several things. Some plants bring in pollinators, which help the Bottlebrush produce more flowers. Others can stop pests before they even become a problem. And a few are great at sharing nutrients underground, making the soil richer for everything growing nearby. Even better, mixing the right plants can also change the look and feel of your whole garden. Instead of having one bold plant standing alone, you get a natural, balanced setup that draws your eye in and makes the whole space feel full and alive. The best part? You do not need to be a garden expert to make it work. You just need to know which plants pair well together, and that is exactly what we are about to show you. Now, you might think companion planting is just about giving your garden a health boost. But wait until you see what it does to the look and feel of your space. These plant pairings are not just smart, they are stunning. Some of them create bold color contrasts. Others soften things up with soft leaves or light flowers. Some bring movement with tall grasses or airy textures. You are about to see how a few smart choices can change everything. Let us check out the top picks that turn an average Bottlebrush into the centerpiece of something truly special. Top picks for Bottlebrush companions. Companion plant 1, Salvia. Let us start with Salvia. This one is a real winner. The bright purple or deep blue blooms create an amazing contrast with the red of the Bottlebrush. When you plant them together, the colors almost glow against each other. But it is not just about color. Salvia is known for drawing in pollinators, especially hummingbirds and bees. And those visitors will love your Bottlebrush too. Salvia also has a clean, upright shape that plays nicely with the brushy look of the Bottlebrush. They grow well in similar conditions, full sun and well-draining soil, so you are not working against nature. And they are both drought tolerant, so they are perfect if you want a low-maintenance yard that still looks full of life. Companion plant 2, Lavender. Next up is Lavender. You might not expect it, but this calming herb makes a perfect match for Bottlebrush. The soft purple blooms and silvery green leaves bring a cool, soft texture that really makes the bold Bottlebrush flowers stand out. Lavender is also a magnet for bees and butterflies. Plus, it helps keep mosquitoes away, which is a nice bonus if you spend time outside. Both Lavender and Bottlebrush like full sun and dry soil, so they are natural partners in the yard. And when the wind blows through, you get not only movement and texture, but also that sweet, clean scent lavender is known for. Companion plant 3, Kangaroo paw. Here's the fun one, Kangaroo paw. If you want something a little different, this is the plant to try. It is not in every garden, but it should be. Kangaroo paw has tall, colorful blooms that look a bit like fuzzy tubes, kind of like the bottlebrush itself. The colors range from red to yellow to orange, depending on the variety, so you can create a bold mix or a warm blend. It also loves heat and sun, and it is very drought tolerant. When planted near Bottlebrush, it adds a unique, almost wild feeling to the garden. The mix of textures is striking, and the height difference gives the area a layered look that really pulls everything together. If you want your Bottlebrush to stand out while still being part of a bigger story in your yard, Kangaroo paw is a great choice. When I first added just one of these companion plants near my Bottlebrush, I honestly could not believe the change. Suddenly, the space looked complete. Neighbors started slowing down as they walked by. People asked me what I had done differently. But really, all I did was put the right plants together. There is something really satisfying about seeing your garden come alive like that. It does not take a huge makeover, just a few smart changes. And you feel proud every time you step outside. If you are ready for that feeling, you are closer than you think. Here are a few quick tips to help your Bottlebrush and its new companions thrive. First, make sure all your plants like the same kind of environment. Bottlebrush, Salvia, Lavender, and Kangaroo paw all love full sun and soil that drains well. Give them a little space, too. You do not want them crowding each other. Leave at least 1 to 2 feet between each plant, depending on how big they grow. Water deeply, but not too often. These plants do better when the soil dries out a bit between waterings. If you are just starting out, try adding one companion plant at a time. See how it does, then build from there. You do not have to redesign your whole garden overnight. And remember, gardening is supposed to be fun. So take your time, enjoy the process, and watch how these small choices add up. So, there you have the best companion plants for Bottlebrush. A few simple additions like Salvia, Lavender, or Kangaroo paw can turn your garden into something truly special. Not only will your Bottlebrush look better, but your whole yard will feel more alive, balanced, and easy to care for. Try adding just one plant this week. Then step back and see what happens. You might be surprised at how big a difference it makes. Your garden deserves a little upgrade. And honestly, so do you.